Okay, I'm just going to demo how to set up policy-based management in SQL Server. And so in Management Studio, you go to Management, expand that, and we got Policy Management. And under there you've got Policies, Conditions, and Facets. And we're going to create a new policy, which will create a new condition. And these are the facets that you can sort of create policies on. I think collation is in there. Oh, no, it's not in there. Some of the database options, there we go. So we're going to create one to do with database options and collation. So we're going to say, right, new policy. And it's going to call it test collation. And the check condition, we're going to create a new condition. And it's going to call it test collation as well. And we're going to say, let me cancel that. Facet, oh yeah, here we go. So we're going to look at database options. And database options is, we're going to go for collation. Yep, so okay. Oh, hasn't added. So double click. There it is. So we're going to evaluate collation. And we want the value to be, we're just going to grab the collation because I'll forget it. So properties of the database, and this is the collation we want on all our databases. Let's go back to our policy. So we want to equal that. And as I found out the other day, you need to put these in quotes, just like you would where clause. Click OK. So we're happy now. You can give it a description as well if you want. So we'll just do that for completeness. Testing for appropriate collation. Click OK. Server restriction none. So we're going to click OK. And we can see now that's created a new policy. And it's created a new condition. And what we're going to do now with our policy, we're going to evaluate test collation. And we can see across our database, our target servers even, which are all these, been tested, and then we've got, oh, a failure, dun dun dun, boo. The actual value is Albanian collation, and we didn't want that. So there we go. We can export the results. Just have a look at that. XML. Looks like it's just XML. So we can export it to XML and have a look. I'm just going to check. If I apply to that poo database, yes, I want to apply the policy. Cool, close that. Now I look at my poo database. Aha! So you can change it. It evaluates the policy, and then you can also apply it. Did not know that. Learn something as you go along. There you go. So there's group policy management in action there on collation, evaluated and applied. Sorted.